Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last time in my video I've talked about how to create thumbnail and how to connect it to your Hamster Combat, but there's something necessary that I want to talk about this morning, which is how to back up your thumb keeper. If your thumb keeper is not backed up, if by any chance you lost your phone or you by any chance lost the account, it's not going to be that easy for you to get access to that account again. It's going to take processes which might not take effect, or it might not work if you don't have a backup to your thumb keeper. So what I mean is this: go to your thumb keeper, and your thumb keeper now. So this is my thumb keeper. I downloaded it from my Play Store. So now where you go now is go to the settings. On the settings, you can see the backup. You can back it up manually. So now tap on continue. Remember your pin. Keep it to yourself. Don't forget it. By any means, don't forget your pin so that you not get into trouble. So now this whole things here, all this, you have to write it somewhere. It's very, very important. Or you screenshot it, write it somewhere so that to not these are so write down these words with their numbers and store them in a safe place, because these are your backup pins. Then now backup check. Let's see if you get everything right. Otherwise, okay. I Let's go back. Hmm? So I have to write them down somewhere so that I will not forget them. So let me write them down. Okay. My password. Okay. Check back up. Now you're going to enter those words, those numbers there. I say, let's see if you got everything right. Enter words 6, 9, and 12. My word 6 is inch, and my word 9 is cinnamon, and my word 22 is copper. So done. So you see back up your wallet manually by writing. Okay, I've done that. So I have done that, and that is how to back up your thumb keeper. If you have a thumb keeper, or if you haven't learned how to connect your thumb keeper to your Hamster Combat, you can just go to my playlist and watch it there. It's in my video, one of my video there, and so that you learn it. If this video is helpful or was helpful to you, please do like, comment, and share. Thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed.